Here's how to file taxes for free with TurboTax. Now, there's a few different editions of TurboTax. There's free for simple returns, and then you have deluxe, you have premium on the do-it-yourself plans, and then you also have these live assisted modes or expert assist. So to do your taxes for free, if you're just starting out and you haven't begun your return yet, I'll show you how to get to the free edition. If you have started your return, I'll show you how you can start over or switch to the free edition, and I'll show you how you might have to clear and start over. So if you are one of the lucky ones and you're on the do-it-yourself plans, in the lower right-hand corner or under tax tools, if you scroll down, you're going to see this switch products button, and you'll click downgrade, and downgrade will take you to the free edition. It'll say it's only for simple returns. That's fine. You can get started on the free edition for state and federal taxes. And when you have something that applies and makes you upgrade, that's when you can upgrade. But you don't have to upgrade before that point. So you can go ahead and start on the free edition to see if you can actually just do your taxes for free. And then the upgrade button is where you can see all of the different products. And you'll see these two tabs. Do it yourself. These are the plans I'm talking about. Deluxe, premium, free edition. I think right now I'm on the premium edition. There's also the real experts mode, and there's these editions here too. If you're on one of these, you can't or won't see that downgrade button, unfortunately. You'll know which mode you're in or which product you're on in the upper right hand corner. You see this little shopping cart that pulls open this little price preview section, and it tells you the product as well as the price. If you're on the free edition, it'll say free in here. Now to downgrade, that was easy for you guys. Clear and start over is what you have to do if you're on the live assisted or expert assist modes. You can go into tax tools and then go to the print center to print the current state of your, not state, but the current version of your tax return, both federal and state, if you want to keep all that information. But clear and start over is going to kind of remove all that information. However, you're going to be able to start over on free. Let's take a look at how to do that. So we clicked clear and start over. It's going to clear our return, and then it's going to take us back to the very beginning. So if you hadn't even started yet, this is where you need to be. This is how you can do your taxes for free on TurboTax. You're going to start on this screen. It's like going to be a welcome screen. You're going to continue, and then it's going to say, select everything that applies to you. Don't do that part. Just uncheck everything. Don't select anything right now, because what this is doing is having TurboTax recommend a product to you. If you don't select anything, you hit continue, and then say that you're comfortable doing your own taxes. You can always upgrade and get the assisted modes or the expert help. So I'm comfortable doing this on my own. So I don't have anything checkmarked, comfortable doing my own taxes, and they give you the free do-it-yourself starter kit, basically. And so this is the product with state to pay $0. And about 37% of people qualify for this if you're doing a simple return. So you click that and you can start your tax return for free. You select whichever one applies to you here. I'll just say I filed my own taxes, hit continue, and then on this next screen, this is where you can start inputting all of your information. Now, TurboTax, I've used it for many, many years, does a great job of taking you through step by step what you need to do to get your return filled out. If you encounter something like maybe you have self-employment income or something like that that you have to have different forms on, then that will require a product upgrade, right? And they'll tell you when you're doing that. They'll say, hey, you can upgrade to deluxe or whatever, and to add in something like this, whatever the section might be that you need to upgrade for. You can get 20% off with my referral code. There's a link in the description. So if you do have to pay some fees for using TurboTax, you can at least get 20% off, I think. If you're a new customer, maybe if you're not a new customer, I'm not sure. You can try it and see. But I'll leave the link in the description down there or the top comment to get 20% off. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully that helps you get through filing your taxes for free. You'll see now if I go to price preview that I'm actually on the free edition, and right now I'm paying $0. And so that will apply to some of you, but not all of you. But for some, you don't need to be in those upgraded modes. So you can actually maybe save some money by clearing and starting over or downgrading to the free edition. That's how you can file your taxes for free on TurboTax.